In this video, I shall show you a really simple trick to recover your Wi-Fi password. Go to the Start menu and type in CMD to open the command prompt. And all you have to do is type in this text and press enter. You should get a list of Wi-Fi connections that you have previously connected to from your PC. In here, I would like to know the password for my Jio Wi-Fi. Type in this text with your Wi-Fi connection in between the inverted commas and press enter. You should receive the details on your Wi-Fi connection, and if you go down to key content, you shall find your password.